Ngi pediang sung bhai pi borok shkanika channel ko jongi ban hakanika video ko bam tasgi in pe ikiniki post ki barang like thamai. Syabangin senangi ka video ngashka ban pentep ba ngi donru ya ka gaming channel ko jongi ba lada pis mutanat ban pe iki gaming videos lani ki video jongki games kum ka PUBG lani kiwe ru Sungguh subscribe ikanika gaming channel ko jongi kanang ba pin yo isu iki gaming videos ki bangin sa upload thamai kublish bon mentapan ngin page choy kiniki post ki bala palai da kanika district rural development agency Southwest Khasi Hills district lanika DRDA mentau bnai arajar arpoi ki kerteng jeng niki post kalong ni planning and training manager, training assistant, program assistant, bat ka accounts assistant com data entry operator. Kelas date lani ka tarik ba filaban submit iki applications ki jongpi kade hu hundred tarik benai August arajar arpoi. Ya gani ka kam ka baningkong ka planning and training manager ka balai ka ke post ka jaka jong ka posting kade ha DRDA Southwest Khasi Hills bat ka tulap lani ka salary kade laipau hajar hak shi benai. Ya ka post training assistant pan kanir ko balai ka ke post ka jaka jong ka posting ru kade ha DRDA Southwest Khasi Hills bat ka salary lani ka tulap kade arpau hajar hak shi benai. Ya ka post program assistant ka balai arteli ka jaka jong ka posting kade ha BDO makorwan lani ranikor ka salary lani ka tulap kade arpau hajar hak shi benai. Bat ya gani ka post accounts assistant com data entry operator balaj arteli kajaka posting kade hajo BDO makorwat lani ha ranikor ka salary lani ka tulap kade arpau hajar hak shi benai. Mentapat ngin pe iki educational qualifications lani ki jingdan kam haki jing pule syabafin apply kin ki post. Ya ka planning and training manager pihaban pendap ya ka post graduation degree jongpi haka social work lani rural development lani RDAP lani agricultural economics lani sociology nakano ka institution ka bapau bat PD rubandan ya ka training assistant pihaban pendap ya ka graduation haka social work lani sociology lani rural development lani agricultural economics nakano ka university lani institutions ka bapau bat PD rubandan minimum 6 experience bantrai hakikam bay ha bakiniki qualifications. Ya ka post program assistant pihaban pendap ya ka post graduation degree jongpi haka social work lani sociology lani economics lani agricultural economics lani rural development nakano ka university lani institution ka bapau bat PD bandan minimum arsnam experience hakikam ki bay ha bakiniki qualifications. Bat ya ka post accounts assistant lani DEO data entry operator pihaban pendam ya ka graduation ka jongpi haka commerce nakano ka university lani institution ka bapau bat pidi rubandan sisnam ka PGDCA bat minimum arsnam experience hakum kani kakam kito ki bakwa ban apply kini ki post pila ban submit ya ka applications ka jongpi lingba ka email lani post lani pila ban submit hi sha office kani ka application form pila ban download naka description jang kani ka video ya kito ki bakwa ban submit lingba ka email pihak ban le akum ne ya kani ka application form pihak ban pendap ha daka handwriting lani pila ban shoot type bat ladam dan jakasho ban pendap hapo jang kani ka application form pila ban pendan kamru dakwai pat ka slakon banthok yaki qualifications lani ki experience ki jangpi bat lada pendan kami kini ki extra paper pihak ban sign hapo jangki pihak banta yaka passport size dor ka jangpi hakani ka application form bat pihak ban scan yaka haka PDF format bat pidi ruban scan lang yaki mark sheets jangki SSLC HSSLC degree postgraduate bat certification jangka computer application bat ki experience certificates hakajo ka document pihak ban rendiam lani penkala ya ka kerteng jangka ni ka document ke bapi scan syaka kerteng ke baningkong ke jangpi bat ke kerteng jangka post.pdf For example, pihak ban tho shaya ka kerteng ke baning kong ke jong pi. Pihak tho de dash hadin ka kerteng jong ka post. Lada ka kerteng ke jong pi ke de Michael, bat lada pikwa ban tap ya ka post PA. Pihak ban tho michael-pa.pdf. Ya kani ka dokumen ke bapila scan pihak ban pa syaka drda_swkhrect@gmail.com. Ya kitu pat ki bakwa ban submit link ba ka post lani ban like submit hi syaka office jong kani ka DRDA. Pihak ban pendap ya kani ka application form bat pideru ban pendat lang yaki attested copies jong ki mark sheets jong ka SSLC, HSSLC, graduate, postgraduate, certificate jong ka computer application, but experience certificates, but pihak ban pa syakani ka address project director DRDA Southwest Khasi Hills District Mokroat New Kendai Lai Weiwei South. Ka official notification ka bala palai hi dakani ka DRDA ngala ai po description jong kani ka video te phila ban download ya ka PDF but phila ban pule lada pikwa ban tip show spang ki details. Mentangin pa igini ki post ke bala palat taka Staff Selection Commission lene SSC. Ki kerteng jong ki post ki dai Constable General Duty bat ka Rifleman General Duty. Ya kini ka post Constable General Duty kandai hakini ki organization. Border Security Force lene BSF, Central Industrial Security Force CISF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP, Sashastra Sima Bal SSB, Secretariat Security Force SSF. Bat ya kani ka post Rifleman General Duty kandai haka Assam Rifles lene AR. Ka last date lene ka tarik ke bapilaban submit yaki applications ki jongpi kadai hu laipoi tarik ubanai August arhajar arpoi. Ka age limit lani ka kerta ka barredo kadai kat prasnam bak bahek do kadai arpulai snam. Kandan ka upper age relaxation hado sansnam yaki schedule caste lani ki schedule tribes bat laisnam yaki OBC. Ka salary lani ka tolop kandai arpoi hajar nyospa hado andrepo kandai hajar shispa. Bat ka educational qualification lani ka jingdangkam hagi jing pule kadai ba pihak ban pendap ya ka kelas 10 lani ka matrik ke jongpi nak kena ka exam bon ke bapau. Ti yakini ki post kilat hado arpusan hajar arspa nyapoi teli. Yaki senrang kilat arpu ar hajar sauspa arpusau teli ki post bat yaki kentai ar hajar praspa sopu nyau teli ki post. Ti pila ban pai hang ni kat nuteli kilat kini ki post hakini ki organization. Ya kitu ki bakwa ban apply ya kini ki post pihak ban apply online naka SSC recruitment portal ke bedai https ssc.nic.in. Pihak ban like syakani ka SSC recruitment portal bat pihak ban klik haka bato online application bat pihak ban pendap ya ka registration process. Anda pila adap ban register yala dia pihak ban like biang syakani ka portal bat pihak ban klik biang ke online application link bat pihak ban login. Pihak ban pendap yaki personal bat ki educational details bat pihak ban upload ru yaki documents ki badon kam. Hadin pat pihak ban save yaka application fee ke jongpi bat pihak ban submit yaka form. Bat pihak ban print ru yaka ni ka application form hadin. Ka official notification ke belapalai hi dengan ni ka SSC ngala ai po description jong ni ka video te pila ban download ya ka lada pikwa ban tip shushu spang ki wiki details.